Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will discuss different roles, what they can do, what are the capabilities they hold, and what are the few things that they cannot do. Starting from coach role is basically the practitioners or internal or external coaches who are supporting the delivery of Team Excel program. What they can do is set up and manage pulses, launch and close pulses, monitor response rate, view results, view health check, and come across different features. For example, question progress and health check. What they cannot do is change the pulse cadence, hold the organization leader role, and combine organization leader plus coach roles. It is advised that an organization leader should not be the coach for the teams or the organization, so somebody cannot hold both of these roles together, and then change pulse cadence. So if you want a pulse cadence to be changed, you need to contact somebody at DDI for that to be done. Now, cadences can be monthly, bi-monthly, annually, biannually, and there are more options as well. Common combos which are allowed is a coach. One can be a coach of multiple teams, one can be a coach of multiple organizations, and somebody can be a member of one team and a coach of another team and a coach of another organization as well. So these are the multiple roles a coach can hold. Let's view what the screen looks like, what the platform looks like for a coach. Coming to Team Excel, Simone here is a coach. She is the coach of organization Bluecrest Tech. Teams are these three: marketing, operations, delivery, product innovation. So she has access to these three screens, which is member portal demo, overview, and settings. So in settings, she can manage the team, she can manage the members, she can send them messages, she can add new teams, add new members, she can edit pulse, cancel pulse, close pulse, push results, and all of these things. In overview screen, she can view the pulse status and can also view the pulse breakdown. So this feature is only available to the coach. Only a coach can view who has completed a pulse and who hasn't completed a pulse. Similarly, a coach can only view who has started doing learning, who has completed micro learning or not. Similarly for actions as well. So this button, which is pulse breakdown, is only visible to coaches, and they can also generate PDF reports. They can dive deeper. They can view progress question wise. So they have the access to question progress as well, and the health check feature as well. So this is a view for a coach. Now it's time for member role. So members are actually all the participants that are completing the pulse. What they can do is complete the pulse for their team or teams. They can access the results when they're published by the coach, and then they can use the member portal, especially if part of multiple teams. Also, they would need to use the member portal in order to do their micro learnings and adding in actions. What they cannot do is view others' responses, manage pulses, or access admin or coach controls. The combinations that are allowed for members are: one can be a member of multiple teams, one can be a member of multiple organizations, and one can be a member as well as an organization admin. Also, one can be a member as well as a team leader. Another rule that might have been missed here is that one can be a member and organizational leader as well. So let's head over to Team Excel to see how the portal will look like for somebody who is a member. So here, Mia is a member of the organization Bluecrest Tech, and she is the member of the team operations and delivery. She's a member of another team as well, so product and innovation. And this is the message that she got from the coach. Well, her capabilities include going to the indicators to view the results. She can dive deeper, view what she answered for each question. Then she can go to the coach to start doing her micro learnings. You will have access to the complete library of micro learnings, and a snapshot will be provided as well. And then she can also go to actions, put in her actions for this pulse, commit to them, and once completed, she can tick it off as well. So as a member, this is what they would be seeing: a member portal and an account screen. In an account screen, you can go and change your password. You can add some other information if you like as well. So depending upon the role combination that you hold, if you hold a team leader role plus a member, an organization leader role plus a member role, then another screen is added in here, which is overview screen. We will view what the platform will look like for somebody who is a team leader and an organization leader as well. Thank you. Coming to organization leader role, who are organization leaders? They are senior organizational leaders, for example, executives or directors who do the leadership for a lot of teams in one organization are said to be organization leaders. Now, what they can do and what they cannot do. What they can do is view organization level insights, trends, see high level results across teams, and certainly not individual responses. Use insights for strategic decision making. What they cannot do is launch or manage pulses, change cadence, edit team settings, act as a coach, or be assigned as a team leader. A very important thing to note here is that they can view the high level results for either learning status, the response rate, and the action status as well, but they cannot view individual responses. A common combination for our organization leader is to be a member plus an organization leader, and one can be an organization leader of multiple organizations as well. Let's take a look at Team Excel platform, how it will look like for somebody who's an organization leader. So Lucas here is the leader for Bluecrest Tech. So he has the access to all of the teams: marketing, operations, delivery, and product innovation. Now that he is an organization leader, he only have the access to overview and account page. If he was a member of any of the teams as well, he would also have a member portal. But he isn't, so he only have the access to overview screen. Here he can see pulse status, a high level response rate, a high level rate of learning status, and then a high level summary of team actions as well. He can obviously view the results for the team. He have the access to health check feature and also the question progress feature as well. Now let's view the organization admin role. Who is organization admin? They are primary system administrators within the organization. They are always internal resources who are looking after the smooth delivery of the Team Excel program. They can be in human resources as well. So what they can do is manage organizational setup and structure. They can support the Pulse administration work. They can close pulses if required, and they can work alongside the coaches on delivery logistics. What they cannot do is view the results, view individual responses, change pulse cadence themselves, or access admin or coach controls. The common combinations which can be done with organization admin role is one can be an organization admin plus a member, and one can be an organization admin as well as a team leader. Let's see how the Team Excel platform looks like for somebody who is an organizational admin. Ethan here is just the organization admin. He is not a member of any of the teams in Bluecrest Tech. Hence, he only have access to two screens, which is settings and account. So he would be spending most of his time in settings page, where he would be managing teams, sending them messages, adding members, sending them welcome emails, removing members, changing their roles, assigning them multiple roles, and preparing for the pulses. He can also edit pulses, cancel pulses, and close pulses. So this is what the organization admin would be doing. Hi everyone. Let's discuss the team leader role now. So team leaders are basically people leaders responsible for one or more than one teams. What they can do is view results for their own team, get a high level summary of the response rate, the learning status and action statuses as well. They can use these insights to support team conversations, receive team level communications as well. What they cannot do is see organization wide results, change pulse cadence, act as an organizational leader, or in fact manage system settings. So common combinations which are allowed are one can be a member of one team and a team leader of that team, or a team leader of another team. One can be a team leader of multiple teams, and one can be a team leader of teams at multiple organizations. So let's see how Team Excel platform will look like somebody who is a team leader. In this case, Ella Stone here, she is a member of team operations and delivery and marketing, whereas she is a leader of the team product and innovation. So for that reason, she will have access to member portal and overview screen as well. So in overview screen, she can view the results for the team that she's a leader of. Whereas in member portal, she can view the results for the teams that she's a member of. So let's head to overview screen. In overview screen, you can see that there are no pulse breakdowns available to her. That's because a team leader cannot view the pulse breakdowns. They can only view the high level summary, the pulse status, response rate, the learning status, and then the team actions. And they can also view the results under indicator summary. Thank you.